Assalamualaikum all viewer and dear students. Today we have a new algebraic equation, simultaneous equation of algebra. AB is equal to 1 and A plus B is also equal to 1. A plus B is equal to 1. How we calculate the value of A is unknown and B is unknown? Very simple simultaneous equation. So we try to understand this question. First of all, we give the name of the equation is given here, equation number first, and this one is considered equation number second. So this is your choice if you are taking first equation or second equation. So we are taking first taking equation number second equation. We are taking A plus B is equal to 1. Now we change this value. A is equal to 1 minus B. So we give third equation. Now we substitute the result of equation number third and equation number first. So put equation third in equation number first to get, in the place of A we put here 1 minus B into, and here is B is equal to 1. Now we multiply minus B square minus 1 is equal to 0. We transfer 1 here to the left side. Their sign is also changed. We arrange the form of B square plus B minus 1 is equal to 0. Now multiplying both sides by minus 1. So B square minus B plus 1 is equal to 0. According to the quadratic equation, if we are compare with the quadratic equation, so we get here and C is equal to plus 1. We substitute in the quadratic formula. Here B are using, because here B is used as a variable, we are using this formula. According to, we substitute the result of A, B and C, and here B is equal to minus 1 and minus 1 plus minus 1 square minus 4 into AC. A is 1 and C is also 1. Both are positive. Square root divided by 2A. 2A is already 1. Here plus 1 square is 1 and minus 4 divided by 2. Further we can simplify this result. We can write 1 plus minus and minus 3 square root divided by 2. As we know that iota square is equal to minus 1, in the place of B is equal to 1 plus minus, in the place of minus we can write 3 multiplied by minus 1 divided by 2, and B is equal to plus minus, and in the place of iota square we put here iota square in the place of minus 1 divided by 2. So is equal to 1 plus minus 3 under the root iota divided by 2. So at number third we have already defined A is equal to 1 minus B. This is third equation. We recall third equation. So first of all we put the value of A is equal to positive minus B. Minus B first time we are putting plus 3 under the root iota divided by 2. And we individually divide by 1 divided by 2, and minus into plus minus 3 under the root iota divided by 2. So we are taking LCM 2 as LCM 2 multiplied by 1 we get 2. 2 minus 1 minus 3 under the root divided by 2 iota. So we get here A is equal to 1 by 2 minus 3 under the root by 2 iota. So we can also write if we take a common 2. So we get here the value of a is equal to this result. Minus 1 is divided by minus 1 by 2 and plus 3 by 2. Further we can, the same process we are doing here, 2 minus 1 and plus, this will be plus, and here is also plus. We will get the answer of a is equal to plus 3 by 2. It means that we can get the result of plus minus 3 under the root iota divided by 2, the value of a. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel, share this video more and more. Thanks again for watching.